Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 6:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 30th, 2021. Let's go into this really quick. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Click the subscribe, click the bell, click the thumbs up, click the intraday updates and the Twitter link below the video, and you'll see everything that I tweet out. The thumbs up's important. The thumbs up's important. We want people to know what's going on with storage. It's anemic right now. There's no real publicity on this thing. I have to push people to just look at it. I think it's a great piece of technology. Anyway, storage US dollars right now is currently trading at $1.50, higher than what we talked about the last time. And I think it might even go higher. I will go through that in a second. But in the meantime, let's just take a quick look. I'm at $1.26 is my average cost basis. I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to go back in again with the remainder of the 60% I have piled in cash. But we're going to go take a look at that probably on the next video, because this thing's just trading a little neurotic for me right now, which is good. I mean, it's $1.50. I can't complain. So we're on this trend line on the U.S. dollar pair. So the storage U.S. dollar perfectly intact, no worries at all here. Now, the only thing I would say is that we have some sort of an invisible line, potentially of resistance here, which I want to see us get over that dotted line for us to feel like we're really making some traction. But between now and then, we're just going to have to track this slowly. Now, if it pulls back down to this line, I'll probably put in another 20%. If it gets down to $1.33 again, I'll throw another 20% on it. Sure, why not? Storage Bitcoin, clearly showing me some bullish indicator here. The storage Bitcoin is now over this. I've always mentioned that we were kind of converging here into a decision point. It looks like we may have cleared through a few days of being over this line. At least from here to here, it's like 2.5, 3 days. Now we just have to see where this meanders along. I'd say another 24 hours, I'd know pretty confidently where this thing's going. But, you know, we'll be putting out a video tomorrow on that. In the meantime, let's look at Bitcoin. It's kind of like a little bit of a struggle today. I'm not too worried about it. Let's see where it pans out. It's still in the trend. As long as this thing's going to be trending in the trend, I'm not worried about it. Let it stay there. Let it fluff around. We got plenty of wiggle room in between, 50 down to, it's a 5,000 point spread between these two lines, and I don't really care. Let it just stay in that range. As long as it's in the right trend and the trend is up, that's a good thing. Bitcoin dominance. This thing is down, and that's good for altcoin. In fact, Bitcoin's not really crashing here, so it's okay. It means a lot of money pouring in here, pretty much going into altcoins. With the numbers I'm seeing, obviously, 43% of what's in the market right now is sitting in Bitcoin, and the 57% is sitting in altcoin. And it continues to get more and more weighted towards the altcoin market, which is fantastic. Okay, so what does this all mean? Well, here's the deal. If this is $1.50, if we make a pullback here to about $1.34, I'll be chowing on some storage at a 20% bite. Storage Bitcoin, on the other hand, this thing's very bullish. Who knows? If we can come back down here and then bounce off it, I think that would be fantastic as well. I think I kind of need it to come back down so that I can take another stab here. This would help maybe this thing go down. But in the meantime, Bitcoin's kind of going up as well. So overall, I think storage is fairly bullish. I just would like to, for me to start chucking more cash on it, I would like to see it drop a little bit. But, selfish me. Anyway, so I'm out right now, but it sounds like, look, long term, this thing's definitely a bullish play here. And I will have an end of year prediction out in the next week for sure on storage. Anyway, stay safe, everyone.